So good morning, grade 6, grade 7 girls. We'll start with our new unit today. In that new lesson, what is the lesson name? Will anyone read for me the lesson name? It's compare,
It's connect,
ratio,
rates, and unit rates.
ratios, rates, and unit rates. Did you study about ratios before, girls? The word ratio?
I think.
When you compare, like when you compare two things and you take out the ratio of that. And we'll study about rates and also unit rates. We will be able to describe the relationship between two quantities. As I told, I'll compare two quantities. Second, we can find equivalent ratios. That means you will learn how to simplify. Anyways, all of you know how to simplify here.
Yes.
Okay, so now let us start with the first example. That is on page number 86. Girls, turn to page number 86 and check whether you see this page or not.
I have the same.
Okay. Nathan and Dan was both hired as lifeguards for the summer. They received their paychecks for the first week. Who earns more per hour? Now, these are two statements where they have told you that he earned $78 and Nathan earned $46. Now tell me, by looking at that, you can compare and say me that who earned how much? Who earned more? Who earns more here, girls? Dan, right?
Yes.
Example, if I want to say, like, I'll say you simple one thing. I'll say you simple thing. Like maybe I gave 12 chocolates to one girl, and the other girl, I gave her 3 chocolates. So how many times more did I give to the, like example, let me give the names. I give 12 chocolates to Judy and I give 3 chocolates to Dana. How many more I gave to, how many times I say, how many times more did I give to Judy? I'll do 3 times 1 and 3 times 4. That is 4:1. That is the ratio. If I say, do you know about this sign, girls? Do you know about this sign? Is to 4 ratio. You know this is to, there are 2 dots.
Yeah.
About it? Tell me, girls. If not, I will explain again.
Miss, I have seen it, but I have never known.
Comparing, see, simple again. I say you, I gave 12 chocolates to Judy and 3 chocolates to Dana. How many men? Now, if I want to know the ratio, I know that while looking at it, I will say directly that I gave more to Judy than Dana. But how many more? You need to know the ratio. That means you need to simplify. 3 times 1 or 3 times 4. Sometimes they also say you can divide by same number. Like I will divide 12 over 3. I will divide 3 over 3. So I get 1 and I get 4. So what is the ratio? 4:1. That means Judy got 4 times more than Dana. Judy got 4 times more than Dana. Did you understand the concept? Something at least little?
Yes.
Okay. Like that, let us come here. So here I will see that I can divide with which number. See, girls, what is it ending with? It's ending with 5. Here also it is ending with 5. So don't you think I can divide by 5?
Yes.
Divide by 5, both numbers. Why? Why did I choose 5, girls? Because in the end, whenever you see 5 or 0, in the end, in both the end, the last number, If you see 5 or 0, that means you can divide it by 5 because you know 30, 35, 40, 45, all the numbers have ending number as 0 or 5. See further what will I do. Now see, both of them draw a model to show how the quantities are related. One of them got 46.5. One of them got 46.25. And all right, now this, how I will show you, I want to explain you. The question here is, I will use a whiteboard, girls. Simple, girls. Eight chocolates of Galaxy. You went to a shop to buy 8 chocolates of Galaxy. Each 8 costed me 32 riyals. How much? 32 riyals. 8 Galaxy chocolates costed me 32 riyals. Now in the question, they ask you each Galaxy how much? So what are you going to do, girls? You will multiply 1 with 32. So of course you will get 32. You will divide by 8 to know that each chocolate costs how much? 8 times, or you can write like that. I will divide both the numbers with which number? I can divide with 8, right?
Yeah.
8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So I got 4 over 1.
Well,
Sometimes they
you
don't give
would got
5 chocolates cost 65 riyals. So 1 chocolate, how much? So I told you, remember this will be multiplication. That is same, 1 times 65, 65. And this will be division. 65 over 5. How am I going to divide this with? Both of them, they come with in the division of 5. So when I divide 5 and 65, I get 13. And then here I get 1. Did you understand this concept, girls, or no? Tell me clearly.
Yeah.
I'm going to explain you again and again. I'll compare this to this one. The question was, for 5 hours, the question was, for 5 hours, he got 46 point, how much, girls? 46.25 he got for 5 hours. So for 1 hour, how much? I can even write like this, girls. For 5 hours, he was paid 46.25. So for 1 hour, how much? I'm dividing it. That's it. I'm just dividing the sentence. I'm just dividing this. Again. Zishan, are you there with me?
yes.
See, Zishan. For I got 46.25 money for 5 hours. But for 1 hour, I don't know how much. So let me divide this and see. Let me divide this and see. With which number I can divide? Both are ending with 5. So I can divide with 5. Because both, if they end with 5 or 0, I can say that I will divide with 5. When I divide with 5, what do I get? Let me just divide and see. No. 5 times 9 gives me 45. 1 and 12. 5 times 2 gives me 10. And 5 times 5 gives me 25. Point before 2 numbers, that is 9.25. I got here 9.25 over 5 divided by 5 is 1. So my My ratio for the first person. What was this name, girls? What was his name? Nathan's, right? He was Nathan. He was Nathan. Now coming to the next one, Dan. How much he got his salary as? Tell me. Only Judy is there in the class. Where are the other girls? Dana, Miral. Noor. Tell me, how much Dan got?
Yeah.
Salary?
78.
Girls, are you all listening to me or no? Are you just coming present and going? I'm simply asking you how much Dan got his salary.
78.
Nathan got 46.25. How much did Dan got? How much did Dan get?
Um,
Is your book open there in front of you girls or no?
yes, it's open.
Others, Dana, Miral, all of you, please answer me.
Page what?
Who's asking me this page what?
7, 8, and 20.7.
Rishan, I wrote the page number there. It's page number 86.
I know.
And others, in the beginning, I told page 86. Okay, I think you all came late. You can ask me. But you cannot just sit like that to listen to my class. How much did Dan pay? Got his salary as?
8.75 over 1.
78.75. 78.75. He received in how many hours? 9 hours. 1 hour is how much? Let me divide and see.
8.75.
9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 5 is 45. Point before two numbers. So the answer is
8.75
8.7.
over 1.
Why 9? This is 9 times 1. This is 9 times 8.75. I divided both by 9. I divided the numerator and the denominator by 9. So I got 8.75. So this is the ratio between both of them. I will stop and I'll talk to you all girls first. Is it you are just coming here for attendance? Now, because of this reason, I will be daily seeing your books at the end of the class. I don't know, hide your face and show me your books that you have completed. I don't believe you all. Only 4 girls are here with me. Judy, Dana, Rishan, Miral. Please turn to page number 86 and look at this question. Jennifer is a lifeguard at the same pool. She earns $137.25 for 15 hours. See how I do it, girls. First of all, make a... Yeah, now you all tell me. Because I cannot see the page. You all tell me. How many dollars she makes?
100.
5.
$37. Point what? Point what?
55.
I cannot hear you, Judy, properly. Others, can you say me, one of you?
25.
Yes. 25. For how many hours?
15
15.
hours
And how much did they ask for? For 1 hour? What did the question complete?
per hour.
Per hour. Per hour means 1 hour. 1 hour, it's how much? So of course, I need to divide this. 137.25. That is 15. 15 times, or let me divide it 5. Let me divide it 5, girls. Divide it 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 times 4, 20. And 5 times 5, 25. So it's 23.45. 23.45 over 15 divided by 5 is how much, girls? 15 divided by 5? 3. So this is your ratio, you got it. You need to copy this. You need to copy this to solve that question. You need to show the division part for that question. Write it in the sticky note or in your copybook. Girls, last 5 minutes, I'm checking your books. Everyone, please be ready. Finished? You all finished writing?
Yes.
So I divided directly by 15. Okay. In this question, they said to divide directly by 15. So I got 9.15. When I divide directly by 15, I got 9.15. So let me just show here to you all how did we do directly by 15. We divided directly instead of 5. But you can even do 5, girls, no problem. And then next you have to do more. 137.25 divided by 15. 15 times 9. 15 times 9. 135. I get as 135 and then 2. 15 times 1. 15. And then I get 7. 15 times 5 is 75. So what's my answer? I got 9.15. I wrote here 9.15. See, 15 hours, I got $137.25. 1 hour, how much? So I divided both by 15 and I got 9.15. This clear?
Yes.
That's why you wrote here. You write
Yes.
Jennifer earns 9.15 per hour. Any questions?
No.
No.
Hello. Now turn to page number 91. Sorry, not 91, 88. Sorry, 87, right? This is 87 in your...
Yes.
Okay. Now let us directly come to the question. Example 3, I will explain you. Suppose that each jump covers the same distance. How many jumps does it take each animal to cover the same distance? See, 8 and 12. 8 meters, and he goes by 12 meters. Okay, how many jumps are there? 1, 2.
2, 3,
So with 3 jumps, he makes 8 meters. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps, it makes 12 meters. With 3 jumps, 8 meters. With 5 jumps, 12 meters.
meters.
So that's why they're asking you, like if it's 3, so it's 8. If it is 6, it is 16. If it is 9, it is 24. How do you get that? I multiply everything with 3. 3 times 3, 9. So 8 times 3, 24. 5 times 2, 10. So 12 times 2, 24. Good. This is my own. Like you remember you all did that pattern. You remember pattern?
Yes.
Example, if I make one more box here. Example, because this is just an example. Imagine if I make one more box here like this. I make one more box here. So if it is 5 times 2, 10, next what will it be? 10 times 2. Again, that number times 2. Like seagulls here. Do you remember something called pattern? Pattern in your previous classes? You follow the same pattern.
Okay.
If this is 5 times 2, what is it? If this is 5 times 2, 10, the next will be 10 times 2, 20. And this will be 24 times 2, 48. So this is what they're trying to say, that you are following the same. You're following the same pattern.
Yeah.
All right. Coming to the next question. This was just an example, girls. This is not that easy. You all need to concentrate and cooperate with me. Reshu,
Okay.
you all are very good at timetables. You can do it, or else it's very difficult. All right. Okay, girls. Question number 4. Can you see question number 4 here?
Yes.
Yes.
We can also do question number 2. Dorian buys 2 pounds of almonds for 21.98. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, like where shall I solve? But yeah, I'll solve this side and show you. Dorian buys 2 pounds of almonds for $21. So $21. How many almonds she buy? 2 pounds. And 3 pounds of dried apricot. Okay, that's a different story. Now, which is less expensive per pound? Per pound means what, girls? 1 pound, how much? See, this is one story that she buys almonds. And what is the second story? That she buys apricots. For apricots, $26.25. For how many apricots? 3 pound of apricot. Again, Dorian buys 2 pound of almond. Okay, I wrote here 2 pound of almond. How many real? Or how many dollars? 21.98. Then the other story was 3 pound for $26.25, because this is apricots and these are almonds. These are almonds and these are apricots. They want us to know that per pound, how much it is. So of course I need to check with 1. I need to check with 1, and then we compare which is less expensive. Which is less expensive per pound. So what I'm going to do, of course, I will divide 26.25 to 3. And here I will divide 21.98 to 2. Like example, you need to do this, girls. You need to divide 26.25 divided by 3. All right. And here you need to divide 21.98 divided by 2. Okay. So when I divide, I get 18, 1 and 18. I got here as 10.99. I got here 10.99. See here, for $1, I got here 10.99. This one question mark is 10.99. And when I try to divide 26 and 5, let us do. So I will get here something called as 8.75. I need to solve, girls. I'm not doing that now because I just have 2 minutes of my class. 8.75. Now can you say which one costs less? Which one is expensive? Dried apricots or almonds?
More expensive almonds.
Less is not more, less expensive.
Dried apricots.
Yes, because for $26 you could get 3 pounds. For 1 pound you have $8. This is less. Here you have $10 and here you need to pay $8. So that's why dried apricots are less. Got it, girls?
Yes.
Okay, I will just end up my class now. Tomorrow I'm going to continue. Girls, again, I'm saying I need your interaction. Grade 7, please. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, girls.